Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert your SD card into your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is very easy. Just locate the SIM tray. Looks like it's over here. And then just use this tool. This probably came with your phone. And you can just open up the SIM tray with it. And mine has a slot for my SIM card on here. So you can see my SIM card goes here and then my SD card goes here. So it's got two different slots. So the larger one will be your SD card here, and just place it in. Should snap in, then align the holes right here. And then we can just place it in, just like this. Okay, it's in. Now we can go to My Files or Files. So let's swipe up from the bottom. Locate Files or My Files. So type it in, Files. So we can see My Files on here. And we should be able to see our SD card on here now. We can go to it. We can go to the top right and go to Format if we want to delete everything off it. And if it's not mounted, go to Mount, and then you should be able to see on your phone. And then you can transfer pictures to it and images. So we go to an image on here, and we can see everything that's on the SD card already. So we can just tap it. There should be an option to copy to your SD card. And go to a location on here and copy here. So very easy now that image is on there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.